Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new video for you guys, and as you can see, my hair is straightened, and this is the process that I will be showing you guys. So if you guys want to see how I straighten my hair and get it from curly to straight, then please don't forget to stay tuned, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. And let's get right into the video. Okay, so this is my hair freshly washed, and right now it's like 20% dried and mostly damped. So the difference from having it like my wash day versus curly and when I'm about to straighten is I don't deep condition. I probably should because I'm about to use a lot of heat on my hair, but I don't deep condition and I don't leave any conditioner in my hair. And then when I get out the shower, I also don't put anything in it. So I try to keep it without any product, because the thing about it is when you straighten your hair, a lot of that product comes through and then your hair gets greasy faster. But what I am gonna spray my hair with is this heat protectant, and this one is the one that I always use by Tresemme. And I'm just gonna spray it all over my hair before I go ahead and blow dry it. I'm not gonna blow dry my hair like super straight or anything because I just never learned how to do that, and that just takes up a lot of time. So I'm just gonna make sure that it's actually mostly dry before I go in with my flat iron. So I actually don't straighten my hair a lot. This is like the first time I'm straightening my hair this year. I try to keep it to straightening my hair at least once a year, if not at all. But I do only like once a year because I don't want to get carried away and get a bunch of heat damage again. My hair is currently bleached, so if I were to constantly straighten it on top of that, the damage would be like endless. So yeah. So I'm just gonna brush through to make sure that the heat protectant actually gets everywhere, and then after I brush through and I make sure that my hair is nicely coated with the heat protectant, I'm just gonna go in with my blow dryer and start drying my hair completely. This is my hair fully dried. I try to make sure that it's as dry as possible before I go in with the flat iron, because I feel like when you have it wet, it could burn, like actually burn your hair. So yeah, this is my hair fully dried and super puffy and big. I'm actually gonna spray it one more time with the heat protectant before I go in with the flat iron, but I'm gonna do that piece by piece as I go. But I just want you guys to see how big my hair just got. Okay, so I typically like to start from the bottom up, so that's what I'm gonna do. I know there's some people that do like half of their head first and stuff, but I like to start from the bottom up. Also, what I do use to flatten my hair sometimes is my InStyler. It's like, honestly, it seems like it's a wand and a brush all in one, and it does straighten your hair like in a matter of seconds, but it kind of stopped working for me after some time, so I think the flat iron just makes it a lot easier. And I found that the brush from time to time was like ripping out my hair. So I kind of just prefer to go in with the flat iron. So I'm just gonna spray, especially like you want to spray a lot of heat protectant where if you have bleached hair like I do, you definitely want to spray it on those parts, but definitely on the ends, because those are the ones that take most of the hit. Like my split ends are so bad right now. And another thing that I do to minimize heat damage is that I don't put the flat iron all the way to the highest temperature. I put it close enough. Also, when I'm blow drying, when I was just blow drying my hair, I made sure to keep it on warm and then low. The speed doesn't actually matter, but the temperature, I just try not to go to hot because I'm already gonna put a bunch of heat on my hair. I'm actually really nervous to do this right now, but I've already committed to it, so I'm going for it. I'm just gonna keep spraying heat protectant and hoping for the best. I feel like once your hair is super healthy already, that you don't get a lot of heat damage when you do straighten your hair, especially if you don't do it a lot. So I'm not like too worried about it, but honestly I feel like I'm still gonna get some sort of damage, so I'm just like freaking out a little bit. But I'm gonna get my cut soon, and you guys will see that as well. Oh my gosh. It's been a hot minute. Eek. This feels so nice already. So that's my first piece. Yay. Also, if you guys are like curly girls and curly guys and you straighten your hair every now and then, let me know if you have any other tips. Honestly, the biggest tip I've seen, because you're still putting heat in your hair, is to just use a heat protectant. But if you guys have any other tips, I am open to hearing them. As I said, the last time I straightened my hair was last year December, so I only do it like once a year anyway, but any tips are welcome. Alright, y'all, I just did my first like real piece now, and this is what my hair is looking like. My hair is so long now. Honestly, it used to be longer than this, so I'm still gonna grow it. I'm really excited to see what this is going to come out like. So yeah, just keep on watching. I'm basically gonna keep doing the same steps over and over. I'm gonna spray a bunch of heat protectant as I've been doing, and then I'm just gonna keep going. So hope you guys enjoy. So I finally finished, and here are my results. Now that I have completed straightening my hair, I like to put an oil, especially on my ends. My ends are so fried because of all of the bleach, and I didn't want to like over process it, so I tried to only do at least 2 times. I did go over some of them more than twice because it was just not having it. I'm gonna use this Moroccan argan oil. This is the one I've always used, and I don't like to use a lot of it. But I'm gonna apply that from like basically like where my highlights start down. I don't like to get too close to my scalp, and I take like a dime size amount. And as I said, really focusing on the ends, which is another reason I try not to go over it a lot, because I know once I put the oil, it's gonna like really flatten all the frizzies out. And then whatever I have left on my hands, I just comb the rest of my hair with. If I find that some parts are way too frizzy, then I will go back with a flat iron, which right now I'm just gonna pass it a little bit towards the front and middle parts, just to make sure it's all good, just sporadically. Zoom you guys in a little bit so you guys can see. This is what I look like with my straight hair. I feel like you guys haven't seen me with my hair straight for like a long time. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you guys in my next video.